Hi, I'm Dr. Linette Rivera here at GLANZ Aesthetics, and I want to welcome you to our weight loss program. We are so excited that you're starting this journey with us. In this video, I want to show you how to administer all the injections that you received at the office. One of them is going to be a semaglutide injection, which is going to be administered in the abdomen, and the other one is a vitamin B12 injection, which is going to be administered on the gluteal external area on either side of the buttocks. If you have any questions, you can always call our office at 305-434-8354 and we'll be happy to answer any questions. But just stay tuned so that you can see how it's done. The first step is to pick an area of the abdomen where you would like to get injected. Remember to rotate the injection site around the abdomen with subsequent injections. Clean the area thoroughly so that we minimize the risk of infections. After the area is clean, inject the needle on the abdomen all the way in and deliver the preset dose established by your provider. After the dose is administered, count to 5 to make sure the entire medication was injected. Now let's go to your B12 injection. Divide the gluteal area in 4 spaces and pick the outermost quadrant to make sure you're on a safe spot. Clean the area where you will be injecting the vitamin B12. Once the area is clean, inject the needle all the way into the skin. This shot will have a longer needle because we need to make sure it goes into the muscle. Once the whole medication is administered, you can clean the area and you're all set. Remember to do both injections once a week. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us here at GLANZ Aesthetics.